Hello, my name is Vitaly Timkov, and today I will be presenting the applications I developed for this assessment. The first app is Image Interaction app, and the wireframe for this app was straightforward, featuring 3 interactive image buttons, a central text display for messages, and a clear button. The layout was designed to focus on ease of interaction, ensuring the user could click on an image and see a response. The final app design matches the wireframe completely. You can click on any image and the specific message will be displayed. You can also click on clear text to see the initial message. The key challenge was managing the visibility of the clear button to ensure a consistent user experience. Initially, the button stayed visible even after clearing the text. This issue was resolved by explicitly setting its visibility to view gone in the button logic. The next app is Film Selection app, and the wireframe for the Film Selection app highlighted a radio group for selecting genres, a spinner for films, and a description area right here. The design focused on ensuring users could easily select a genre and view corresponding films with descriptions. And the final design matches the wireframe completely. You can select a genre, select a film then. Also, you can clear your selections and do it again. And after, you can submit and get a description about the film. One of the main challenges was ensuring the spinner updated correctly based on the selected genre. Initially, the spinner failed to refresh when switching genres because the adapter was not being reset dynamically. By reconfiguring the spinner's adapter in the unchecked change listener, I resolved this issue and ensured seamless functionality. The next app is the Game Store app, and the wireframe for this app included a list of checkboxes for selecting DLCs, a total price display, and buttons for payment and clearing selections. It was designed for simplicity and clarity, allowing users to see updates to the total price in real time. The final app was designed not only to correspond to the wireframe, but also to be more appealing to the user with some color changes. You can choose any DLC you want to add to your game. Here you will see the updated list and the total updated amount. You can remove all your items and choose again if you wish, and then you can place your order in order to pay for your goods. The main challenge in my Java code was ensuring the total price calculations remained accurate, particularly when user deselected items or used the clear button. Initially, the total price did not reset correctly due to unchecked items being ignored in the algorithm. This was resolved by resetting the total price to its base value and recalculating from scratch whenever a change occurred. The next app is Cities Catalog app, and the wireframe for this app depicted navigation buttons for next and previous cities, a main display area for city images and descriptions, and thumbnails for direct navigation to specific cities. It aimed to provide multiple ways for users to explore the catalog. So the final app design matches the wireframe completely. You can click on the next button to go to the next city and read the description. Also, you can select the previous one, or you can navigate by clicking on the images. The key challenge was handling navigation boundaries to prevent index errors when users navigated beyond the first or last city. This was resolved by adding boundary checks for both next and previous buttons, ensuring the app remained stable regardless of user input. The next app is Register and Login app, and the wireframe for this app separated the registration and login processes with the user details display on the welcome page. It aimed to provide a clear and intuitive workflow for user management. The final app's design closely follows the design of the wireframe. As you can see, this is the login page where you can enter your details and login. But if you don't have any, you can click on the sign up. It will lead you to the register page where you have to enter your details. You can also clear all your details, so go back to the login page. After you click on the register, you get the message that you registered successfully, and you have to enter your details in order to log in. After logging in, you can see that the login is successful and you're in the welcome page where you can see your name, your age, and your gender. Also, you can click on the logout page to log out, and that will lead you to the login page again. The main challenge in my Java code was ensuring user input validation, particularly for password confirmation. Initially, mismatched passwords led to errors during registration. This issue was resolved by adding validation logic and providing clear feedback to the user using toast messages. The next app is the phone contacts app, and the wireframe for the app included a recycler view for displaying contacts, a search bar for filtering results, and interactive buttons for calling or reserving contacts. It focused on ease of use and accessibility. The final design of the app completely corresponds to the final design of the wireframe, providing real-time search functionality. As you can see here, we have a lot of contacts. Each one of them has its own picture, name, phone, and email. And the app is scrollable also. You can search any contact by name, and after you click on it, you will be able to call them. The main challenge in this Java code was implementing real-time filtering through the search view. The adapter needed to be updated dynamically with filter data, which was achieved using the update list method. My last app is a library reservation app, and the wireframe for this app depicted a book list with reserve buttons, a date picker for selecting reservation periods, and a summary screen for reviewing reservations. It was designed to provide a clear workflow for managing book reservations. The app's design follows the design of the wireframe. As you can see here, the app is scrollable, and you can choose any book to reserve as you like. Then you will be able to select the length for how long you want to reserve them. By pressing confirm, you can save your reservation and see the reservation summary. You can go back or see your reservations. In here, you can clear all your reservations by pressing the button. And also you can go back to select more books to reserve. The main challenge here was managing data persistence using SQLite, implementing CRUD operations and synchronizing them with the recycler view. Required careful handling, but the result was a reliable reservation system. In conclusion, this assessment allowed me to develop multiple applications that align closely with their initial wireframes, while challenges like SQLite integration and dynamic UI updates required extra effort. They provided valuable learning experience. By focusing on core functionality and reliable implementations, I ensured that each app met its intended purpose. Thank you for watching.